Let's shift our focus to weather updates. Delhi is sweltering under extreme heat as the capital recorded its highest temperature of the season so far. The IMD has forecasted that the maximum temperature soared at 41.3 degrees Celsius yesterday, while the minimum was 26.2 degrees, both of which are 3 degrees above normal. Now, comparing this to last year, the national capital's highest temperature in April was 40.5 degrees Celsius, while if we compare it to the year before, that's 2023, it hit 40.6. Now, this spike follows a heat wave recorded between the 7th and the 9th of this month, that is April, with experts already forecasting fewer rain and more heatwave days for the season ahead. But it's also worth noting that since 2011, April heatwave days have steadily increased. According to the Met Department, heatwave days in April have surged dramatically from just 1 in 2016 to 4 in 2017 and a staggering 11 in 2022. In fact, talking about weather, summer clearly has already arrived early with a vengeance this season. The IMD has predicted about normal maximum temperatures, like we just told you, across large swaths of the country, though through June, in fact. Now, northwest, central and eastern India are bracing for more heat wave days than usual, with temperatures already nearing 44 degrees in Vidarbha and Maharashtra. Our next report has more. Take a look.
The India Meteorological Department, or the IMD, has predicted above normal maximum temperatures for large parts of northwest, central and eastern India between April and June. In its seasonal outlook, the IMD warned that the number of heat wave days this summer might be significantly higher than usual, especially over Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and western Madhya Pradesh. In Maharashtra, the Vidarbha region has already experienced heat wave conditions, with maximum temperatures expected to soar to 44 degrees Celsius over the next couple of days.
महाराष्ट्र की बात करें तो कल जो है टेम्परेचर्स कोस्टल रीजन्स में टेम्परेचर 33 से लेके 36 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक दर्ज किया गया है। मध्य महाराष्ट्र की बात करें तो 38 से लेके 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक तापमान जो है वो नापा गया है, और विदर्भ की बात करें तो कुछ स्थानों पे 42 से लेके 44 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर जो है दर्ज किया गया है। और विदर्भ की बात करें तो हीट वेव जो है वहाँ पे रियलाइज हुआ है।
Temperatures are also rising in Chhattisgarh, even though they had been below normal for the past couple of weeks due to thunderstorm activity.
पिछले एक हफ्ता 2 हफ्ता अगर देखा है तो अधिकतम तापमान जो है सामान्य से कम है थंडरस्टॉर्म एक्टिविटी की वजह से। पिछले 24 घंटों में ये अधिकतम तापमान जो है वृद्धि का दौर थोड़ा चालू है। अगले 48 घंटों तक ये अधिकतम तापमान में वृद्धि जो है वो जारी होने की संभावना है। लगभग 1 से लेके 2 डिग्री तक वृद्धि एक्सपेक्टेड है।
Coastal areas of Odisha are also likely to experience hot and humid conditions over the next 3 days.
Hot and humid conditions very likely to prevail over the coastal district of Odisha on 24th and 25th. Heat wave condition very likely to occur at isolated pockets in the district of Sundargarh, Jharsuguda, Sambalpur, Sonpur, Angul, Baud, Balangir, Nuapada. In addition to that, hot and humid conditions also very likely to prevail over the districts of coastal Odisha. And the temperature forecast, if we see, there is rise in maximum temperature on an average by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius over the state during next 3 days, and thereafter no large change is likely.
The IMD declares a heat wave when the maximum temperature is at least 40 degrees Celsius in the plains, 37 degrees Celsius in the coastal areas and 30 degrees Celsius in hilly regions, and the temperature is 4.5 to 6.4 degrees Celsius above normal. A severe heat wave is declared if the departure is 6.5 degrees Celsius or more. The year 2024 was the warmest recorded both in India and globally. However, this year, heat wave conditions were observed as early as February 27th and 28th. The first official heat wave of 2024 was recorded on April 5th.
Time for a quick break. Stay with us. We're going to